You think we should show them some?
Definitely. That's a good start.
Okay, guys, come this way.
Alright, so we're starting from one of the most popular moves in the 80s. Yeah? It's called Dynamo. Alright? It's with the legs and the arm. And also the ribcage and the thigh. Alright? I'm going to make Tonyan demonstrate. And this move was popular in 1988. Alright?
Ready? Yes. 1. Stepping.
See that? Everything is working. Arms, legs, ribcage, head. Alright? It's not that I move without the head.
Okay.
Yeah, I know that one day.
Alright, so this is the sequence that we're going to use. Starting with the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we're going for a double, 4 times. Starting with the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Alright, all together. 8 singles, 4 doubles. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. All together from 8 singles and 4 doubles. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4.
2, 1, 2, 11. Number. Time. Again. So. So, on top. The entire routine. And then
Alright.
eyes on the floor. Turn it. Alright guys, that's it for today. I am very impressed with what I see, loving it. I will keep you posted, definitely keep you posted so we can do some more rehearsals and keep you abreast of the show that's coming up.
Okay.
Alright guys, so see you next week.
Okay.
Alright, nice to meet you Tyler. Charlotte Singh.
Thank you.
Alright.
Nice meeting you.
So what wanna take?
I think them very good. And the girl, she's full of energy.
Yeah man, I agree with you. It's very bouncy for real. But when I like with the youth, it seems very humble.
And that is why the community choose him. Cause you know say one of them community they him come from.
Yeah man, no. I have to stay on the right track of them place.
It's if every youth like him, all we need to do is just groom them the right way and make them groom the youngsters them enough for them community.
Oh, but just like make you know, so we can do that for every community.
That is why we train and delegate.
For the first performance that we're gonna do, me that suggest work with them.
Alright, well we're going to set some rehearsal time then. But separate and apart from that, there's a motive why we do the performance here.
What we gonna do? Work?
of the book.
I talk about Bossy. Bossy, my style is I'm ready.
Me too.
So, I heard that Miss Suarez will be hosting a group from the cruise ship. That is where the performance is. So what I want you guys to do is that while you're on stage performing, I will be taking a look around the cruise ship.
Bubbles, remember say Miranda know my face from being the waitress.
Nothing wrong with that. You're a performer and you do waitressing part-time. If she approach you, just remember your accent.
Me? Me not forget that.
I don't expect her to remember you because you were fully disguised.
And in full character too.
Alright, so here's the deal. We're going to prepare them to you for the performance. We're going to go there as performers. While one of the past stage perform, me go scout you on the cruise ship. I still not trust that girl here.
And you said this is half the book, right?
Yeah. Mr. Mullings mustn't know nothing about this. All him know is that the community group is booked for a performance.
Got you.
Alright, that's it for today. I'll go get your stuff on cut.